Hi guys! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best 20-inch electric bikes just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best 20-inch electric bikes to see which one offers value for your money. If you're looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Electric Folding Commuter Foldable Bike. Amazon B0F2 4B7DNY. Riding the electric folding commuter has been a genuine delight for daily city commutes. The 20-inch wheels strike the perfect balance between nimbleness and road stability. It's easy to weave through traffic and park in tight spaces. The electric assist engages smoothly, taking the strain out of hills and longer rides. The removable battery is very convenient. I could charge it indoors without hauling the whole bike downstairs. In terms of build quality, the frame feels solid and the controls intuitive, even for a first-time e-bike user. Over weeks of use, I noticed it held a reliable charge and offered consistent power, making it perfect for errands, office runs, and weekend rides. Pros: smooth assist, foldable convenience, comfortable urban ride. Cons: not suited for rough off-road trails, and range isn't as high as premium models. For the price, its features and ride quality make it a very solid value choice for those wanting an easy, everyday electric bike.
Product number 2D-TTZH Electric Adults Mountain Bike. Amazon B0FR3HHTP6. My experience with the DTTZH Electric Adults Mountain Bike has been impressive for both urban and light trail riding. This bike combines the rugged feel of a mountain bike with electric power that genuinely makes a difference on hills and uneven terrain. The 20-inch wheels handled gravel paths and park trails better than expected, and the pedal assist system felt responsive, almost like an extra push when I needed it. I appreciated the upright riding position and robust braking system, which boosted my confidence on descents. While it's heavier than a pure commuter bike, the additional weight feels justified when tackling tougher terrain. Pros: sturdy mountain build, strong assist, good traction on loose surfaces. Cons: slightly heavier and bulkier to fold or store. Battery life can feel limited on full power off-road use. Considering its dual-purpose capability, this bike offers good value if you want one electric ride for both everyday streets and weekend adventure trails.
Product number 3. GoTrax R1 Pedal Assist Commuting Bike. Amazon BOC1VNBXMM. I found the GoTrax R1 to be one of the best all-around 20-inch electric bikes I've tested, especially for commuters and casual riders. Its folding design makes it incredibly easy to store in small apartments or carry into work, and the ride feels solid once you unfold it. The 5 pedal assist levels let you customize how much effort you want to put in, from gentle help on flat streets to strong support up hills. The electric throttle mode is handy when you want to zip across town without pedaling at all. The battery range is strong enough for most daily needs, and the dual disc brakes inspire confidence in traffic. Pros: compact foldability, customizable assist, reliable brakes, and user-friendly controls. Cons: can feel a bit heavy when carrying long distances folded, and the pure electric range is not massive compared to high-end bikes. Overall, it balances performance and price well, making it my recommendation for most urban riders.
Product number 4. Mofcan V60 Electric Bike. Amazon B0FJ61MNQ. After riding the Mofcan V60, I can confidently say this is one of the most exciting 20-inch electric bikes I've tried, especially if you love a powerful ride. Its standout feature is the strong motor that pushes you up to higher speeds effortlessly, and the large removable battery that keeps the ride going longer without range anxiety. The fat 20-inch tires provide excellent stability, making city streets, gravel paths, and even light off-road areas feel surprisingly smooth. I also appreciated the practical front basket, which carried groceries and beer with ease. Shifting through the 7-speed gears was intuitive and made adapting to different inclines much easier. Pros: powerful motor and long range, excellent traction, versatile terrain capability. Cons: noticeably heavier than lighter commuter bikes, so folding and carrying isn't as easy. For riders who want power and versatility at a fair price, this bike delivers performance that justifies what you pay.
Product number 5. Caroma Foldable Electric Commuting Bike, Amazon B0DY VDFF2T. Using the Caroma Foldable Electric Bike over the past month has been fantastic for city commuting and quick errands. Its foldable design is one of the easiest and fastest I've used. A couple of quick releases and it's compact enough to stash under a desk or in a car trunk. The electric assist is smooth and reliable. It's just the right boost for urban riding where stops and starts are frequent. I found the ride comfortable and light on effort, even on longer stretches. Handling feels balanced thanks to the well-sized 20-inch wheel set, and the components seem durable for daily use. Pros: very convenient folding mechanism, smooth assist for city travel, comfortable ride. Cons: not intended for serious off-road use, and battery range is average compared to high-tier models. Given its price point and utility, this is a strong everyday option for commuters, students, or anyone wanting a reliable electric bike without spending a premium.